Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to add a cookie consent pop-up form on your WordPress website. So what exactly is a cookie consent pop-up on website? It's just a small notification that tells you that we value your privacy. We would like to we would like to let you know that your data is being used and we store the cookies in your device. So it's just a privacy concern which is mandatory, and it's very important in terms of legal compliance is concerned, because you have laws like GDPR in EU, as well as you have e-privacy protection and a lot of different laws in the United States and worldwide. So how to set up this on WordPress website, we're gonna show you how to do that in a minute. So as you can see, we are inside the WordPress dashboard. Just go to plugins and select add new plugins, and in the search bar search for a plugin called Cookies. This is one of the most famous plugins for cookie banner, and you can see it has over 1 million installation. Don't forget to install and activate this plugin. So that's the first step. Our plugin is now installed. We'll click on activate, and once the plugin is activated, you will see this cookies option on the menu. Just select this option, and if you want, you can connect this to the web application. I'll click on do it later, and you can see the banner status is now active, and the regulation that is following is GDPR. Language is English and the target location is worldwide. Obviously, if you need to change this to EU or only to the other regulations, in that case you'll have to get a premium. So we'll click on customize banner to see how it looks. So you can see the geo target location banner. For now it will be worldwide. If you want to change this, you can change this to EU and UK, and also select other countries, which you can see says requires premium. And if you go to layout, you have a cookie notice. Either you can place this on the bottom left or on the bottom right. So if you enable this banner preview, you will see how it would look on your website, on the right or on the top if you want. So if you want this as a banner in the bottom, it will show like this on your website, and you can also customize the preferences. It's up to you. And then if you go to content colors and all, you can change this from the light to dark, or you can customize this. So there are a lot of different options, including custom CSS, which comes with I guess with the premium, or you have to create an account. Once this is done, you will click on publish changes, and once this is updated, this will start working on your website. So obviously, with to match this with the theme of your website, you can customize the color using the code or with the custom CSS. And if the website is new, and if your website is white and blue with the same colors as the buttons, you can use the same format. So let's see if this is showing. You can see it says consent preferences, and you can set this to pop up automatically using the settings. So go ahead and explore the settings, and let me know in the comments if you need any help with this plugin. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.